Is this even the right refrigerator? Maybe he's doing the freezer.
Hey, what are you doing?
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Yeah, I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I'd be there, swore that I'd catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are and who we are.
You ready for me to come get her now?
Oh, you don't have to get her. I forgot my mom to work today.
Okay.
Or she work at night.
Okay,
I don't
cool.
know.
Because it's freezing cold today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, ooh, I get to shop my big jacket my mama just bought.
It is like freezing out here. Alright, good morning. Good morning. It is 8:25 in the morning and I originally came to Walmart to get the stuff we need to make Christmas dinner. Which our Christmas dinner is spaghetti this year. And the parking lot is already halfway full. I tried to go to Walmart yesterday, but I had like a small panic attack in Walmart and was ready to go. Because it was like so many people in Walmart and they were coughing all over the place. No mask, no nothing. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get in and out of here. Because I don't need many things. So I was supposed to go with Willow, but Willow's grandma's gonna watch her this morning. So I don't have to go take her out in this cold weather. But it is 8:25. Let me try to get out of here in the next 45 minutes. Because Lord knows I don't want to be in this Walmart with all these people. So, let me get out. I don't want to get in this car. Let me get out of this freaking car. Setting up for our little Christmas Eve, like movie night thing that I want to do. It would have been an idea for us to do this on the back porch, but because it is freezing cold here in Jacksonville, we're doing this in the house. So I'm gonna rearrange the living room a little bit and set things up. It's 4:32, so we're probably gonna start around 6 or 7, but I have the meat thawing out. That should take about an hour, and then it'll take probably like 30 minutes to cook that. I have my s'mores and hot chocolate stuff I Mason with candy canes.
Who's at the door?
Nobody's at the door.
Uh-huh.
No, it ain't.
Mm-hmm.
Who's at the door?
Let's go check.
Nobody's at the door. And I'm gonna set up so we can do the projector with a movie. and I don't know what movie it is. So, come on, let's set this up real quick. We shouldn't take long.
What's the deal? Oh, no, no. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? What's the deal? Oh no, no. This the one you talking about that's supposed to take my place. Damn, is this for real? It's almost disrespectful. That's a downgrade and you know it. Still your best. Me. Still your best. Me. When you wanna come back, yeah. I lay you back on your back and do you just like that. Miss the way that I grab. Yeah. Your body knows me, yes. I'm still your best, baby. I don't want your heart, baby, as before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is wrong. Just wanna let you know. I don't want your heart, baby, as before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is wrong. Just wanna let you know. Still your best, I know. Love it or hate it, it's unfair, I know. That I got away, just confess right now. Go ahead and say it, go ahead and say it. Baby, it's okay. That's a downgrade and you know it. Still your best. Still your best. When you wanna come back, yeah. I lay you back on your back and do you just like that. Miss the way that I grab, yeah. Your body knows me, yes. I'm still your best, baby. I don't want your heart, baby, as before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is wrong. Just wanna let you know. I don't want your heart, baby, as before. I don't want you back. Just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is wrong. Just wanna let you know.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. Yeah, this far, I'm not sorry.
I don't even think this is even healthy. Everybody mad cause I'm getting selfish. Why you really mad? Cause I copped a two-seater. And it's me, myself, and I, and it's too many people down. I just saw the movie like it's barely 8. I'm too busy
a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry. But you gotta be sorry. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. Made it this far, I'm not sorry. My folks try to stop me out, but I'm a young rose and I can't be out. I go young Russell, Simmons, see me flip on the back to $1 million. Wonder why I bought so hard. I'm the only young Jake from the block. I'ma need dark brown in my shop. Oh, I know about my star. 'Cause I don't need your doubts. I'ma stay 10 toes down. Look how I rose from the ground. And none of these hoes that I can't take it. Poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotted. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far.